Hi there, I'm Delroy with AutoZone. Today, we're talking about why it's important to change your coolant, also called antifreeze. To keep it simple, we'll call it coolant. Both names apply because it helps regulate the temperature in your car. You can use pure water, but water can corrode metal parts and it can freeze in low temperatures, which is why you need coolant. It has a high resistance to cold, so the liquid doesn't freeze or expand when the temperature drops, which may cause cracks in the engine. Your vehicle does require a specific type of coolant, so it's important to check the owner's manual. Some fluids are pre-diluted and ready to pour in, and others need to be mixed with the distilled water. Any AutoZoner will be happy to help with that. Fresh coolant protects up to temperatures of 260 degrees Fahrenheit and down to about 30 degrees below zero. Remember, fluid degrades over time, so it's important to change it according to the recommended distance in the owner's manual. Be sure to change your coolant regularly to help protect your engine and cooling system. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.